There's a couple ways to go about this. First, I'll define a string. Here, I have the name of the variable I want to work with, in this case the string fruit, followed by one slash, the term I want to replace, in this case banana, another slash, and the string I want to replace the first instance of the search term with, in this case durian. And when I run it, I can see that it replaced the first instance of banana, even though there's two. So what if I want to replace both of those? Well, that's just a minor change, and instead of having one slash right before my search term, I put in two, and it replaces all of the instances of that string. There's a couple modifiers you should know about too. If you use a number or pound sign in front of the search term in a single replacement, it'll replace the term only if it's the very beginning of the string. In this case, it replaced the very beginning of the string. If I try something that's not, like banana, it leaves my string completely unchanged. If you use a percent sign instead, it'll replace the term only if it's at the end of the string, as you can see here. And if I use it on a term that's not at the end of the string, again, it leaves the string unchanged. Of course, you can use matching with these too. You can see how powerful this is, and you'll probably use it in your scripts quite a bit.